Purebliss so natural. Everything cool and it ain't natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Purebliss very nice and so natural. Make your skin tight, skin fine. Make your skin so natural, skin fly. Make your skin day spotless, skin nice. Make your Purebliss very cool like an ice.
Check out what these 2 ingredients can do. 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide, 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide, 2 tablespoons of lightning glycerin, 2 mix together. There you have it, guys, your knuckle cleanser. Apply this twice a day. Use cotton wool to apply this on the dark parts of your knuckles, on your knees, on your elbows, and within 2 weeks you begin to notice a change. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, hit on the notification bell so you can be updated with every new video I make, and give this video a like.
Purebliss so natural. Everything cool and it ain't natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Purebliss very nice and so natural.